Okay, so I'm looking at some partial sums, and I have partial sum number 1 is 1. Partial sum number 2 is 1/2. Partial sum number 3, this would be 1/2 plus 1/3. So we'll get a number for this in the calculator. 1/2 plus 1/3. And I get 5/6. Maybe you're going to eventually just want to use the decimals. 5/6. Then I have that minus 1/2. 1/4 rather. So this one is 0.58 repeating 3. At this point, I want to plot these on this number line, and I'm looking, and now I kind of know how I want to label the number line. I get 1 over here. I'm going to put it way out this way. Oh, that is S sub 1. And then I have 1/2 is S sub 2. S sub 3 is 5/6. So I might want to think about this a little bit. This one would be 3/6, right? 1/2 is 3/6. 4/6. 5/6. And I don't necessarily need it to be perfectly spaced on the number line. But there's S sub 3. Now, S sub 4 is a little bigger than 0.5. So 1/2 is 0.5. I'm just going to put it about right here. S sub 4 is 0.58 with a repeating 3. S sub 5 would be S sub 4 minus or plus? Plus 1/5. So we'll figure out what that is. S sub 6 would be S sub 5 minus 1/6. S sub 7 will be S sub 6 plus 1/7. So let's see, I have S sub 4 in the calculator. So I'm going to take that and do plus 1 divided by 5. 0.78 with repeating 3. So I didn't get the decimal for 5/6, but I'm not sure what it is. At any rate, S sub 5 is going to be to the left of S sub 3. S sub 5. 0.78 repeating 3. S sub 6 will be S sub 5 minus 1/6. 0.616. S sub 6 will be on this side. 0.61 repeating 6. S sub 7 would be plus 1/7 to the previous partial sum. 0.759. S sub 7. 0.759. Do you see what's happening with the partial sums? The partial sums with an even subscript all fall to the right side on this number line. The partial sums with an odd subscript all fall to the right side of this number line. And the true sum is going to be somewhere in the middle. S would be somewhere in there. That every time I add or subtract a term, I think of it like a ball bouncing. You know, you have bounce one of these super balls, and so it's a high bounce, a lower bounce, lower, 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 lower. That's what's happening here with the partial sums. That your sums going from here to S sub 2 to S sub 3 to S sub 4 to S sub 5 to S sub 6 to S sub 7. That as I add more and more terms, I'm getting closer and closer to the true sum. This series does converge. Do we have a way to find the exact sum? No, but we can get as close as we like if we keep adding more and more terms to it.